Hormone Therapy Centers of America, leading the way in bioidentical hormone pellet therapy. You, like millions of others, may be suffering from fatigue, unexplained mood changes, and you may be struggling to maintain your ideal weight. How about hot flashes and night sweats? Are your relationships suffering? Has your desire for intimacy disappeared? We have the solution for you. It is bioidentical hormone pellet therapy, or BHPT. What is BHPT? Bioidentical hormone pellet therapy is the best hormones for your body. They match what your body produces exactly. They are given in the most precise dose. This is not a one-size-fits-all approach. This is the best delivery method. You receive a consistent dose based on your body's requirements at any given time.
First question people usually ask us is, well, what are the pellets? When we talk about pellets, we think of little round balls that we're all used to, but these are small cylinders, approximately the size of a grain of rice, smaller than a Tic Tac. They are placed beneath your skin and will deliver constant levels of hormone to you over a period of several months. Bioidentical means that they are all natural. And it also means that the hormones that we use, the estrogen and the testosterone, are the same exact chemical structure as the hormones that your body makes. In other words, your body can't tell the difference between what it makes itself and the hormones that we place into the body.
Millions of people have found relief from these symptoms of hormonal imbalance with bioidentical hormone pellet therapy. Many patients have experienced an increase in energy.
The primary difference that I saw before and after was related to my ability to get up in the morning. I've always been someone that would get up and go and work out, that I had difficulty and I would be so tired, and it just helped me after I had the effects after, a week to 2 weeks, that I was able to kind of pop out of bed and go work out and just be, vibrant and have a great day and just feel like everything was just so much better.
Many have experienced an improved desire for intimacy.
Our sex life is good. I've always had a hard time keeping up with him, but now I don't have as hard a time, and my libido has increased, and so I can keep up with him, which helps in a relationship, because then we get along better.
Thousands of patients have experienced relief from hot flashes, night sweats, and an improvement in your moods.
The first time I got the pellets, I was in such dire straits with hot flashes and the moodiness and the foggy brain that I think it was within a week that I started to feel the difference. Now when I go in for my pellets, within a few days I can feel, and it's not a sudden change, but it comes gradually, but within a week I feel fantastic again, and I can attribute it to the pellets.
Many patients have experienced the ability to lose weight and increase lean body mass. You may find yourself wanting to work out and recovering from your workouts faster. What is the pellet procedure? After a numbing spray is applied, a local anesthetic is injected. A small incision is made, and the trocar is placed under the skin. The pellets are then placed in the fatty layer just below the surface. The hormones are steadily absorbed by the bloodstream over time. Long-term benefits of bioidentical hormone pellet therapy are increased bone density, improved cardiovascular health, protection from Alzheimer's and arthritis. Also, some protective qualities for breast, uterine, ovarian, and prostate cancers. Is pellet therapy safe?
When I first heard about pellets, and did some research on pellets, I found there was mountains of information on pellets that had been around for several years. They discussed the side effects, they discussed the benefits, and all these things. Research show that the pellets really are beneficial to patients. They have fewer side effects than other methods, and the safety of pellets is being proven more and more every day.
Bioidentical hormone pellet therapy has changed many lives for the better. Aren't you ready to live better? Ask your doctor if bioidentical hormone pellet therapy is right for you.
Has your heavy period been keeping you away? If you're like 1 in 5 women with heavy periods, you want to get back to life. NovaSure is a one-time, 5-minute procedure that can lighten or end your heavy period. No pills, no hormonal side effects. For 90% of women, menstrual bleeding is dramatically reduced or stopped. It's a simple procedure that can be done in your doctor's office, usually for the cost of a copay. Please take the time to review this CD carefully and talk to your doctor about stepping back into life with NovaSure. Life will be there to welcome you back.
I tell patients that there's about a 90% chance that we can substantially reduce their periods and put them back in control of their life. Almost continuously, patients are amazed at how effective this procedure is.
People are very reassured when I tell them I've had the procedure done. It really helps my patients to know that I've been through what they've been through. And I think it reassures them about the safety. I can absolutely tell them about the effectiveness. I've had a wonderful result. I have not had any bleeding.
NovaSure is an endometrial ablation procedure that can reduce or stop menstrual bleeding. It works by permanently removing the endometrium, or the lining of the uterus, the part that causes the bleeding, with a quick delivery of radiofrequency energy. NovaSure is for premenopausal women with heavy periods due to benign causes who are finished childbearing. Pregnancy following NovaSure can be dangerous. NovaSure is not for those who have or suspect uterine cancer, have an active genital, urinary, or pelvic infection, an IUD, or a metal uterine implant. NovaSure is not a sterilization procedure. Rare but serious risks include, but are not limited to, thermal injury, perforation, and infection. Temporary side effects may include cramping, nausea, vomiting, discharge, and spotting.
Have you heard? For the first time ever, there's an injectable treatment for moderate to severe fat below the chin. The best part? It can be administered by your doctor right here in our office. The injection procedure takes 15 to 20 minutes and it doesn't require any surgery. Kybella deoxycholic acid injection is a first-of-its-kind injectable treatment that reduces fat under the chin or submental fullness for a contoured profile. No surgery required. Submental fullness can impact a broad range of adults, including both men and women. So, what causes submental fullness? Submental fullness can be caused by a variety of factors. Sometimes, even with diet or exercise, submental fullness may not go away. According to a 2015 survey conducted by the American Society for Dermatologic Surgery, 67% of people said they're bothered by submental fullness. If you're one of the many people bothered by submental fullness, ask your doctor if Kybella is right for you. Kybella is a series of injectable treatments tailored by you and your doctor to gradually improve your chin profile. Up to 6 sessions spaced at least 1 month apart may be needed. So, how does Kybella work? Kybella is a non-human and non-animal formulation of deoxycholic acid, a naturally occurring molecule in the body that aids in the breakdown and absorption of dietary fat. When injected under your chin, Kybella destroys fat cells, and once those cells are destroyed, they can no longer store or accumulate fat. The results of Kybella speak for themselves. In clinical studies, 79% of people treated with Kybella had improved satisfaction with the appearance of the area beneath their chin, compared with 34% of people treated with placebo 12 weeks after last treatment. Kybella patients reported improvement in the visual and emotional impact of submental fat when asked how happy, bothered, self-conscious, embarrassed, old, and overweight they felt with respect to the amount of their submental fat after they received treatment. According to one Kybella patient,
I consider myself a pretty confident person, but one of my main insecurities had always been my double chin.
Another Kybella patient tells us, I've always been at a healthy weight. I tried exercising, but it didn't matter what I did. I still had a double chin. With Kybella, I don't feel like I'm trying to hide something anymore. If you're bothered by fullness under the chin, whether it's moderate or severe, you don't want to get surgery, you feel your double chin makes you look older or heavier than you actually are, or you eat well and exercise, but submental fullness does not go away, Kybella may be right for you. Only your doctor can determine if you're a candidate for Kybella. You should not receive Kybella if you have an infection in the treatment area or have had or have trouble swallowing. Kybella can cause serious side effects, including nerve injury in the jaw, which can cause an uneven smile or facial muscle weakness, and trouble swallowing. The most common side effects of Kybella occur in the treatment area and include swelling, bruising, pain, numbness, redness, and areas of hardness. Interested? Talk to your doctor about Kybella today.
Everyone is searching for the fountain of youth, but not everyone wants to go under the knife to find it. Recently, I discovered a high-tech treatment that puts moisture and volume back into your face, and I found a willing candidate to try it on. That was you.
Yes. Well, here I am in good Dr. Orden's office, and I'm going to try that newfangled facial everyone's talking about. Now, I haven't had one in a very, very long time. Any facial at all. So this is quite a treat for me.
So Valerie, tell me a little bit about your skin. What are the main things that you would like to benefit from this?
Okay, here's my quandary, and I don't think I'm unlike a lot of other women out there.
And I must say, I know your age. I'm not going to mention.
I'm happy to. I'm 48. I don't care. Everyone's not been around forever.
I'm looking at you very close. Very nice.
Thank you. What do you suggest for someone who has a very busy life? They don't really take the time to take care of themselves. They're always looking out for, you know, their children or their husband or their boyfriend or whatever.
But this is so simple for you to do. It comes down to cleansing.
Right. I do that.
Okay. That's step one. Exfoliating.
I do that.
Moisturizing.
I do that.
Putting volume. Today we're doing an oxygen facial.
Okay, let's do it.
Good. So the first thing we're going to do is just gently spray you with a mist of this special serum, okay? So, do you feel that?
It's nice and cool.
Hear that sound?
Yeah, what are you sucking up there?
Well, we're not sucking up.
Oh, you're putting stuff in?
We're putting stuff in, okay?
It's definitely not like a typical facial.
No.
It's very different.
Your skin feels so soft to the touch. I can see the difference.
Oh, it does feel good. Let me see, let me see.
Okay, well, let's set you up, and I have a little mirror here. Awesome. Can you see?
Wow. I love it. It's really great. No makeup. I'm definitely going to sign up for 6 more of those, and I'm really excited to see how this looks in a couple of days.
So when are you coming back?
I loved it so much. I actually had one before we started the show.
And how do you feel?
You know what? It really does make your skin feel more moisturized. I get breakouts around here, and those breakouts were gone the next day.
I want to show you exactly what was happening here with your skin with this treatment, with the intraceuticals oxygen facial. Actually, with this little instrument that we have here, we have oxygen under pressure. Remember that?
Right. I love that.
That felt good, didn't it? And we're actually infusing this serum of hyaluronic acid, green tea, and vitamins.
And hyaluronic acid is...
That's the natural filler that we have in our skin. That's what we use.
Oh, it's already in your skin.
It is in your skin, but we're adding to it. That's what we use with fillers when we inject, but you're getting it infused with this system.
I loved it. I loved it.
Hi, my name is Dana, and I am 39 years old.
Hi, I'm Tammy, and I love playing basketball with my kids and hanging out with them. Hi, I'm Kathy, and I'm a mother of 4 children.
My name is Rachel. You know, my mother told me never tell your age. A woman should never tell your age, so secret.
3 things in my life that keep me youthful are my kids, number 1. Actually, number 2 and number 3. My kids keep me young.
I play basketball with my son. I'll take every minute that I can with him.
I always thought that the wrinkles were the sign of getting older, but a few years ago I noticed my cheeks were starting to sag.
I don't feel old, so why should I look old? When I talked to my doctor, I learned that as we age, our faces lose volume. And that can make you look older. My doctor also told me that Juvederm Voluma XC could help my cheeks.
My biggest fear of the Juvederm Voluma XC treatment was the results. I didn't want to look fake or plasticky.
I'd never done anything like that before, and I just was uncertain. I was hoping for really just the more youthful version of me.
The results are pretty dramatic. After the Juvederm Voluma XC treatment, my face looks much fuller, but really natural.
I have fuller, rounder cheeks. My face is less sunken.
My daughters actually came to me and said, "Mom, your cheeks look really full and natural."
I'm not trying to look 40 or even 30. I just wanted to look the best that I can be today.
Since I've gotten the Juvederm Voluma XC treatment, it feels amazing. I'm excited about it. I'm looking forward to 40. I think I'm entering the best part of my life.